Hello everyone, I'm Kompal Singh and welcome to my channel. And today is a very interesting video because it's a haul video, and as you guys have read by the title, it's a Myntra haul and I'm so excited. I've done a lot of shopping. I need some serious confrontation, but that will not stop me from doing a haul video. So without me blabbering so much, let's get into the video. So the first piece I got is this green, really long A-line kurta. This is from House of Pataudi, and I will link all the prices in the description below so that you guys can see it for yourself. And this is how it looks on me. I love this kurta. It's so comfortable yet so airy, and sorry that it's not ironed. Yeah, so I did wear a golden skirt beneath it just to give it a little depth, and I did wear this for my cousin sister's mehendi ceremony, and I got so many compliments because it's just so comfortable. And if you're going for a simple and decent look and don't like wearing heavy lehengas, you can totally go for it, guys. And this is, I think, the best purchase I've got. I love this, and I would love to hear your views on this. And yeah. Next piece which I got is this stripes long, very long shrug. I really like long shrugs. You can wear it with jeans and little crop top and stuff. And this is from the company Texco, but yeah. So this is the long shrug. I will wear it on, and then you guys can see it. Initially, I was very skeptical on buying this because I thought it looks like a bathrobe, but my mom said it really looks good. And I have heard somewhere that long stripes make you look taller, so that's why I bought it. But I think overall it looks really good. You can also button it up, and it looks good. Think what are your views in this? And you can also wear a blue jeans beneath it, how the girl in the picture is wearing. So yeah, next piece that I got is a bodycon dress. And if you guys don't know me, I'm not a bodycon kind of person. It's just very body hugging, but this time I really like the dress on the photo, so I was like, let's just try wearing it. So this is the dress. It's very long. Again, I don't know why I have bought everything so long. Maybe because it's so cost friendly and it's so efficient to wear long things. It just, you don't have to wear jeans and then top and then a shrug or something like that. It's just perfect. Okay, so this is the dress. This is very long, and the best thing is it has a slit as well. Woo! Very, very cute. And I only bought it for its back. It's so cute, guys. And this is from the company Sassafras, and everything I got it on discount, so I will link the prices, don't worry. And this is in the size M. Again, when I wore it, I was shocked because I don't look good in bodycon dresses, but I think this one is really cute if you guys don't like bodycon dresses, because sometimes it does show your tummy. Okay, first of all, what is this face? Yeah, so I really like this. This is completely opposite of what I thought it would look on me. And yeah, it looks good. Very body hugging, and yeah, oh my god, look at the back. It's so sexy. I don't know where I'm gonna wear this, but surely you can wear this for a, party, night party and stuff. So yeah. So I did try to jazz it up a little bit. I tried to pair it with a neck piece. I don't know if this looks good or this piece like a choker or something. You guys can be the judge and tell me which one looks better, or is it good without the neck pieces. And yeah, so this is all in all a good one. I will give it a 7 on 10 maybe. The next piece that I got, oh my god, like, this is the statement for this dress. I'm in love with this dress, and this is probably the last piece from Myntra, but I don't know how to show it like this. You guys will get confused because it's a little difficult to get into it, but once you get to know the flow, you will get to know it. So it's basically a wraparound kind of dress, and this is also from this is from company Berry Lush, and this is also in a size M. And I love this. This is so good to wear in brunch parties and even Goa. Can we wear it in Goa? Is it acceptable? I don't know. So it also has a very long slit because it's a wraparound dress. So of course you can just take your leg out. What am I saying? Okay, fine. So yeah, this might be my favorite dress of the lot. I love it. It's so breathable and so lightweight. I just love it. One thing I would like to say here is it has a very deep neckline. So I did pin it up with a safety pin. That is one thing you guys have to take care of, but other than that it is my favorite. As I told you, I love it. That's it for the haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it because I love shopping and this is what I do. And I think every girl can relate to me, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching my haul. And if you guys want me to do more of these haul kind of videos, I can do it for sure. And that brings us to the end of this video. I hope you guys liked it, and if you guys liked it, please like, share and comment down below which brand or which company should I do next, in haul videos. And I will meet you in the next one. And also, savdhan rahe, satark rahe. I love it how I say it so seriously. Okay.